Today, I'll walk you through how to set up folders in Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to organize your workspace effectively so you can enhance your productivity and streamline your projects. Let's get started. First, open your Notion page. This is your digital workspace where all the magic happens. If your dashboard looks slightly different, don't worry, Notion updates frequently and the core functionality remains the same. Once you're on your Notion page, look for the plus sign. This is your gateway to adding new pages. Click on that plus sign to create a new page. This is like opening a new folder in a filing cabinet. You're creating space for something new. Next, click on the Add icon. This will allow you to customize your new folder further. Think of it as choosing the design of your folder before you start filling it with important documents. Now it's time to search for a folder icon or choose one that you want to use. Icons can make your folders visually appealing and easier to identify at a glance. Just like labeling a physical folder, a good icon helps you quickly find what you need. After that, add a folder name. This is where you define what this folder is all about. Be descriptive but concise, just like you would when naming a physical folder to keep your documents organized. Next, type in the highlight. This could be a brief description or a keyword that encapsulates the contents of your folder. It's similar to writing a summary on the front of a physical folder to remind you what's inside. Finally, drag and drop the pages that you want to put inside the folder. This is where the real organization happens. Just like placing documents into a physical folder, you're now consolidating your information in a way that makes it easy to access later. And there you have it. You've successfully set up folders in Notion. This simple yet effective organization method can significantly enhance your workflow and help you stay on top of your tasks. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.